Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. The primary goal of my YouTube channel is to promote home cooking as a way of life. Home cooking is generally considered to be healthier than eating out. However, it is not always the case. In this video, I will discuss how to maximize the health effect of home cooking. I will consider 10 simple guidelines that you might want to consider to achieve this goal. Number 1, cook daily. Cooking consistently every day is important. Practice makes perfect. That's how you're going to improve as a cook. Try to cook everything that you're going to eat, including lunch. Just cook a little bit more for dinner. This will allow you to avoid eating too much processed food. Number 2, use unprocessed ingredients whenever it is possible. Cooking with fresh ingredients will allow you to achieve the maximum benefit of home cooking. Number 3, reduce the consumption of refined carbohydrates such as rice, white flour product, as well as sugary drinks. Substitute foods cooked from refined carbohydrate with whole grain carbohydrate. Avoid consuming food with high glycemic index such as potatoes. Number 4, completely eliminate added sugar. With home cooking, you can control what you're going to put into your food. Use sugar substitute when you need to add sugar to flavor your food and drinks. Number 5, reduce sodium uptake. Processed food contain a lot of salt and it causes many health problems. It is good to remember when food contains complex flavor, it greatly reduces the desire for salt. Number 6, use herbs and spices for seasoning. When food has complex flavor, they taste much better and more interesting. Experiment with different herbs and spices. They not only make food taste better, but it also satiates earlier. Number 7, increase the consumption of natural fiber. By using many different types of green vegetables, you can greatly enhance your consumption of fibers. Fiber is not only important in our overall digestive health, but it's also important in control our weight. Number 8, eat plant proteins and replace animal proteins with plant proteins as much as possible. Plant proteins can be found in many different sources. Learn how to cook with different types of soy products as well as different kinds of beans. They provide excellent source of proteins. Reduce fat consumption of both animal fat and vegetable oil. Avoid food that is deep fried completely and also use minimum amount of oil in stir fry. Use meat as a condiment rather than as the main ingredients in your dishes. And number 10, make your own snacks. Avoid eating commercially prepared snacks. When you make your own snacks, you can use exact ingredients that is fresh and you know what you put into it. Follow these guidelines. You will have much greater awareness of what you put into your food and you will have much better understanding of the nutritional value of what you are eating. So let me provide a quick summary of these 10 guidelines. Number 1, cook daily. Number 2, use unprocessed ingredients. Number 3, reduce refined carbohydrates. Number 4, eliminate added sugar. Number 5, reduce sodium uptake. Number 6, use herbs and spices. Number 7, eat more natural fibers. Number 8, eat plant proteins. Number 9, reduce fat consumption. And number 10, make your own snack. By following these guidelines, I believe you will feel better almost immediately and you will see the health benefits very quickly. But more importantly, you will develop a healthy lifestyle that you will follow for the rest of your life. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to receive notifications of my future postings. I will see you next time. Please stay safe.